Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a cleanup on the wrecker. We have to take it for VIN verification, so I want it to look pretty nice when it's going down the road. So we're going to clean it up. I already did half of it, so you'll see half of it's going to be a little darker and it's over there. The other half right here. So let's get started on this side. Alright guys, so we're going to be registering the wrecker. So I'm going to clean it up. You may be seeing this, it's already registered. Don't know when you're seeing it. But we got to clean it up. It's mossy, it's been sitting a long time. So this is like Mr. Clean something or other. It's supposed to be really good. I've had it soaking for a little bit, but we'll drench it some more. Now these Chrysler Plymouth things here, I'm not worried if it kind of fades away. I know where it is. It's butted against the handle, butted here on the top of the trim. So we'll be able to locate those pretty easily. So that's fine. So I'm not concerned with the paint. The paint on this truck is terrible. It is original though, so we're going to be happy that it's original. But it's not good. So I'm just going to use the scrub brush, it's like a bathroom brush, and agitate it. The only thing I'm going to really try to be careful with is the windshield trim. I don't know if you can see it in the angle, but that trim is specific to these adventurer trucks, which is the trim class. Not easy to get if you need it. So now we got it kind of broke up. Spray it again. When I do the blue, it's going to get shiny again. The blue is really nice, actually. Oh, beautiful white paint. And you can still read the Chrysler Plymouth. That's cool. We just scrubbed the hood with the Mr. Clean. I mentioned how these Power Wagons, this one's getting a little loose. We're going to pull those off and retape them. But those are pretty rare. You can find them easily. But like, about $100 to replace them. The other truck's missing them. This one has them. So we're going to keep them. These ones don't have a screw holding them on. They're just double-sided taped. So that's why it's getting a little loose. But we're going to let this soak real quick. I'm going to clean this half of the windshield because we're doing a little 50-50. And that running board is pretty close to falling off, I'd say. And it needs some wiper blades. Look at that. I mean, it's never going to be perfect. That's the plague of the bird bath hood. All the water sits in there. Just collects and rots it. No holes, just really bad pitting. It'll need to be sandblasted. That's a big difference. So here's the 50-50. The camera doesn't show it as crazy. Well, it does, kinda. In person, it's a lot better than the camera shows, but I did half of everything. Half the hood, half the roof, half the glass, half the chrome trim. And you can see this side looks a lot better than this side. So we're going to do that on this side and clean up the wrecker bed, get all the leaves out of it. Now, unfortunately, we lose the Chrysler Plymouth when we clean it. But that's no big deal. I'll make new ones. We know it had them, so it's like documenting that it was in fact a Chrysler wrecker. So let's get started on this side in the daylight. So it's a little chilly out, but I think our first step is going to be spraying it with water. When we did the other side, we did not do that, but I think it's going to help. I even might get the pressure washer out. We'll see. All right, let me get the soap we're using. Now this is the same cleaning solution. It's like Mr. Clean something or other. It worked really well, so we'll just spray everything. This side might need a little more. I might have to run to the store and get like some super clean. Now the wheels don't really matter. They're getting swapped. So actually I'm gonna probably get those out too, because I have to get tires this week. All right, and we'll let that sit and soak for a little bit. So while we're letting that soap do its magic, I have a little test we're gonna do. As you know, this truck was two-tone. It was white, Chrysler corporate blue on the bottom, the roof was corporate blue, and the bed was two-toned as well. Now corporate blue is also known as Basin Street blue, Petty blue, it's all the same. And the engines in a lot of Chrysler, Plymouth, Dodge products were corporate blue. Now, engine color is a big debate in a lot of places. Some engines were corporate blue, some were Chrysler turquoise, which is different. Some were a different medium blue. So it all depends. But Duplicolor has an engine enamel that is corporate blue. Oh, who's this? Look who it is. Look who it is. Oh, I know that guy. We'll do this in a minute. We have a visitor. Who's that? You are picking in my territory. Really, my backyard.
This place looks a lot like mine.
Yeah. You like that, huh?
Wow. I mean, you guys should see this place. It's full of cars. Wreckers, Winnebagos, classics, cop cars, German cars, Beetles.
All the
I like
cars.
the wood pile out back.
Yeah,
I got a new wood too. Christmas came early, huh?
Yeah, that was on sale. It's for work. I just haven't brought it yet. Yeah.
Happy Eve.
Happy New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year, everybody. Smells like chemicals out here.
You know it.
Yes, you can. Look at this. High roller.
Yeah.
So, oh, you're spraying the...
I'm cleaning it. You can see.
Crashed the first wash?
You crashed the first wash.
Oh, my specialty.
Your specialty. Yeah, we did half of it.
Which side you do?
This, ha, 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 ha. That half.
Ooh, that's strong.
Yeah, I have no clue what it
Happy
is.
New Year, everybody. So you're out here. You got it. How far along are you with the?
I mean, they saw me rinse it, and
do
they saw
know
me
anything yet?
about what
about
part?
Things.
They know that I have to get a VIN verification.
Do they know? So they don't. That's all there are is that you're at the wash.
I'm at the wash. I mean, they've seen the truck, and they know I have to get a VIN verification.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
you're in for a treat.
Yeah.
Yeah. It gets better.
It does.
Wow, look at the bumper on this.
You like that?
Shackle on it.
Yeah. You know, this is welded to the frame.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
They don't make them like
They don't make them like they used to.
this thing will pull a train, man. Wow.
I got a picture of one hauling a fully loaded semi-truck. This truck. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Plymouth on the old.
Yeah.
The old, that means junk.
Wow.
In my day. Omni. Door handles breaking. What's this plate say?
Newtown. Town of Newtown.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this side's.
Oh,
yeah, it's a lot better. You can still kind of see the sticker, which
Yeah.
is cool. I'm gonna have to get new ones, but
Oh, well, I'll let you get back to your video. Oh,
Well, that was fun. So back to this. Chrysler Blue, duple color. We're going to see how well it matches, because if it matches well, I'm thinking I'm going to do the roof in the bottom of this door just so it looks like how it should be. So we'll see. All right, let's clean it up. Well guys, that's going to wrap it up for me on this video. As you saw in that last clip, it looks completely different now. Whatever chemical that was Mr. Clean something or other, and it was really good at getting whatever was on that truck. The mold, the lichen, all of it's gone. It looks pretty nice. Patina level, I don't know. I don't really go for the patina, but it looks a lot better than it did, and I can drive it now and not think, oh, I'm just driving a truck that's been under a tree for like 40 years. Because as far as I know, it was parked in '86, so that's 38 years of no washes that truck had, and it looks okay for that. And with that, I took it to my VIN verification, got inspected, got registered, so now we are good to go, 100% legal. So next week, we're going to drive it, we're going to take a look at it and see now how it looks, cleaned, take a look at the engine more in depth because I've done some work to it, and check out how the wrecker operates. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this first wash in 40 years basically, and hopefully you'll be around next week to see how it looks now, all done, up and running. So until next time guys, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.